Hi friends, this video shows how to fix error event not recorded. So I have opened Philip Home Safety app. So let me select the camera. Here we can see the indoor camera which is active. So let me go to events, tap on events. Then let me select one event and try to play it. See, you can see the message event not recorded. Playback video not possible as recording was not enabled for this device in this mode, but I have enabled the mode. Let me go to modes. See, I have enabled away mode, and in away mode go to edit, and you can see video recording has been enabled, but it's not recording. So I will show you how to fix it. So let me go to dashboard. So here you can see the error. See, it says SD card needs to be formatted to store any recorded footage. So we have to format the SD card. Tap on format SD card. Then here we can see format SD card. Formatting the SD card erase all data stored on the card. This action cannot be undone. Tap on format SD card. Then tap on yes, format SD card. So this way we can fix this issue. So you should be careful. As I said, it will erase all data in the memory card. So if you are okay with that, then you can go and format the SD card and fix this issue. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.